What if you could give yourself the best possible gift right now? Would you? Would you actually invest in you just because you're worth it? Just because you exist? Just because you matter? Because you are your best return on investment. Whatever you put into you is only going to make you better. This is the opportunity that you are looking for because we're having this sale right now. Get unstuck in my 3-hour accelerator program called Beyond the Fence that has been helping people, professionals, entrepreneurs, executives in large international organizations in hospitality and other industries to really find where their kinks are, find patterns that no longer serve them, interrupt them, and go beyond the fence. This is the answer that you've been looking for to get unstuck in every single area of your life or business. And you're worth it. You can save $200 today on the Beyond the Fence enrollment if you sign up right now. Plus, you also get access to me. If you sign up today, I'm going to give you a free 30-minute consultation with me to help you to get some additional work done after you've done the acceleration program. Plus, you have access to my community forum and lots of other perks, including the fact that you'll be able to not only find out where you are, but also be able to chart a new course, get assessment tools that help to be able to pinpoint exactly where you are and get a clear roadmap as to how you're going to get to where you really want to go. So you're going to be able to release anxiety over the fact that you're still in this loop. You're going to be able to interrupt that loop, and you're going to be able to, instead, to fill yourself with the empowered passion and faith it takes for you to anticipate a future that is different and that is positive from what you're now currently experiencing. How does that sound? And guess what? All of that for $97. It's a no-brainer. Grab it right now while it exists. Beyond the Fence. First taught in person for many years, for 3 years, to executives across hospitality in different hotels. No, live, online. You're going to be able to access that from anywhere, and you have lifetime access. I'm Carrie Heron. Welcome. It's time to go beyond the fence.